Hi everyone, Colin Engel here. I'm your online instructor. You've never had an opportunity to get a look at me, so I thought I'd share this small video with you. I hope you're all doing well. So far I've been quite pleased with all of your work. The communication you've had with me is excellent. Please feel free to keep checking with me if you have any questions. We're both in this course together to learn and do well. Remember, you can give me a call at 502-593-7003 or just text me. Also, you can reach me by email. We've got a few more weeks left to go, and I just want to encourage you to keep up the level of work that you're doing. It's been a long winter so far. I wanted to show you what we have to look forward to come summertime. So keep working hard. Before you know it, it'll be over, and we'll be on to our next class. So I'll see you in the threads.